Delayed clinical development shows nothing but the test results from the phase 3 clinical trial. Phase 3 clinical trials are used to test the efficacy and the safety of the drug. Out here also therapeutic dosage are given like phase 2 clinical trials. The number of patients are increased, that is from 1000 to 2000. We determine out here whether the drug has any therapeutic effect or not. The case study out here is from the Chinese University of Hong Kong. The start date and the end date are 2005 to 2010. The study type is interventional. The allocation is randomized and have an endpoint. The classification is used to study the efficacy and the safety study. The intervention model is parallel. A double-blind masking is being done, and the primary purpose is treatment, and we can find there is no safety issues. There was two primary measures. There's two measures, pardon me. The primary measure and the secondary measure. The primary measure was done to identify the overall satisfactory relief, that is, you can say a global symptom assessment, that is, you take 12 weeks, you give the patient the same drug for 12 weeks in the same dosage, and you identify if there's any safety issue. So there was no safety issue. The secondary measure was divided into three categories. One is individual dyspepsia symptom scores. The second is days of sleep disturbance. The third is response in different subtypes of dyspepsia. Dyspepsia is nothing but, so you can say, a synonym of depression, for an example. The time frame was 12 weeks for all the three cases, and there was no safety issue in any of the case. The intervention type was two, so one was imipramine and the other was imipramine placebo. The criteria, or the acceptance criteria out here was all the patients or all the candidates had to fulfill all the screening tests. The age of the patient must be greater than 18 years. Both gender, male and female, were taken into consideration, and healthy volunteers were not allowed.